Okay guys, look what I have found in the estate sale. A gold-plated silverware. Ayan. Yeah. I think we just get it for $150. And this is the certificate of this thing. It says the quality made in Solingen, West Germany. Ayan, there. The quality made in Solingen, West Germany. Ayan. Napakaganda po. Ito nga lang, kulang lang talaga siya. I think ito ay dalawa. Pero isa na lang yung natira. At, ayan. Kasi dalawa ito eh. So, ayan. Yung mga, ito kompleto siya. Ito kompleto po. Ayan. And I think ito ay 2 pairs din, pero ito lang yung natira kasi so wala nang ang box ito. Kaya ayan, super happy po ako dahil napakaganda po talaga. Ayan. Hindi makikita kasi masyadong masilaw. Super nice. Ito kasi medyo malaki. Ayan. Kita yan. Yan. Okay guys, so since I have a very beautiful and nice silverware, so I need to have a very nice and beautiful, silverware organizer. Okay, so we just arrived. This is just arrived. Let's see. Ayan. There. Kita niyo po yan? A Royal Craftwood Organic product. Ayan. Kahit yung mga organizer lang ay mga organic na. Yan. Premium Bamboo Expandable Drawer Organizer by Royal Craftwood Organic product. Medyo masilaw siya, no? Wala, hindi na nga ako nag-open ng light dito banda. Yan. Let's open it. Oh, naka-ano talaga. There you go. Yan. I think this is double. Oh, wow! Honey, look at this one. Yan. There. Look at guys. There.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, right?
Very nice. Does it fit in the drawer? That's the question.
Yeah, see?
Did you try it in the drawer?
Not yet.
I would suggest you try it and see if it fits.
Wait, I need to organize. I will just...
Yeah, but I would see if it fits first.
Ayan. So, subukan na natin i-arrange. Ayan. 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 Ito maganda, ito pang ice cream. Ayan, meron na. Pretty. Yan. Saktong-sakto. Meron ng lalagyan yung aking gold-plated silverware. Ayan. At syempre, yung kanyang papeles, ilalagay natin underneath. Yan. There. Pwede siguro ito isang la. Yan. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.